How to download TikTok after ban. What's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a few different ways to download TikTok after the ban. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The first thing you can do is try to see if TikTok is available on Play Store or App Store. For that, just head over to search bar and then search for TikTok. And if you see TikTok here, then you can easily download it from here. But if you don't see it, then what you can try to do is open up your browser, and here you can just search for tiktok.com/download, and you're just gonna go ahead and enter this URL on your browser and then hit enter. Now you will have this website pop up. So if you're on iOS device, click on iOS here and click on download TikTok for iPhone. Or if you're on Android, you can simply click on download TikTok for Android. And once you do that, you should be able to get TikTok. But even if that's not working, then what you can try to do is download a VPN from your Play Store. So just search for VPN. You can find a lot of free VPNs here and try to change the location for your of your VPN, and then you can try to search for TikTok on your Play Store. And then from there you can download the TikTok right away. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.